South Africa's manufacturing sector is thriving despite the current economic turmoil. Addressing the manufacturing Indaba, Trade and Industry Minister Rob Davies said the clothing and textile sector has contributed 14.1 billion rand in 2014 and its exports increased by 16.4%. The minister says South African companies should take advantage of the devalued currency to advance exports. ANN7's Paul Matoho has more.
The manufacturing Indaba takes place against the backdrop of increasingly uncertainty and volatile global economic conditions. Trade and Industry Minister Rob Davies says it is against this background of a very serious economic headwinds that government has published 8 annual iterations of the Industrial Policy Action Plan. In the first quarter of 2016, manufacturing production picked up, with South Africa recording a trade surplus in March as exports rose to 96 billion rand.
What we've seen in clothing and textile is that we have developed partnerships between manufacturers and retailers, with retailers even investing in manufacturers that are positioning themselves around fast fashion. We have seen very significant progress in the footwear and leather sector.
The support of government through the production of incentive has paid out 4 billion rand, supporting 467 companies and creating over 4,000 jobs. 22 new factories have been opened in the leather and footwear factories in the previous 2 financial years, and 6,000 new jobs have been created.
It's very important that we take advantage of the devaluation of the currency to drive capabilities to underpin a national export effort, with a particular focus on the African continent. The African continent is the destination already of a very high proportion of our value-added exports.
However, over the years, South Africa has witnessed a decline in traditional sector, and the manufacturing industry reflected a negative growth of 2.6% due to low commodity prices. Ekurhuleni Mayor Mondli Gungubela says the manufacturing sector will create a new identity for the city.
Identification of priority industrial clusters to be prioritized, and thereafter the development of progressive strategies that enable the adoption of high-tech manufacturing capabilities.
The automotive sector has been remarkably resilient despite adverse global economic conditions. The national automotive sector has contributed 7.5% to the country's GDP. The sector export earnings were 151 billion rand, with over 100,000 jobs created. Mpamato, ANN7, Johannesburg.